how to sign in your Netflix account on your smart TV using the remote. Okay, you'll have to do first is go to sign in. Okay, click the sign in button here, and on the top you can choose how to sign in. You can use the phone or you can use the remote. So in this tutorial I'll show you how to use using this remote. So okay, first you need to enter your email address here. And after you enter your email address, click next button and sign in without a password. So simply tap the one-time link will send to richardkabili@yahoo.com to sign in to this TV. So okay, there are two options. Here you can send sign in link or you can use password instead. So in this tutorial I'll show you how to send sign in link. So okay guys, check your email. Please stay on the screen. This TV will automatically sign in when you tap the link we send to richard.kabili@yahoo.com. Okay guys, go to your email, and so I received this email from Netflix, and you can see here the approve sign in button. So okay guys, to approve the sign in, you'll have to do is tap the approve sign in button here. Okay, all set, and automatically log in or sign in the Netflix account on your smart TV. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.